everybody, welcome to my channel Tarot Warrior. My name is Aparna and I'm here today to do a love reading for the sign of Leo. Please remember these are general reading, may or may not resonate with all the Leos out there. Take what resonates, leave the rest, and if none of the messages resonate, you can always check your videos of other sign placements, your moon, Venus sign. Okay, those videos could have additional messages for you. And I would like to thank all of you who have liked, shared, and subscribed to my channel. To all the new guest viewers, if you've not yet subscribed, please do so. It'll help me grow as a reader. It'll help me post more videos in the future. So please do like and do subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon so that YouTube notifies you when I post your sign. Okay, so let's see, Leo, what's coming up for you in love. How do you feel about your person that you're thinking of? How does your person think about you? Let's see, how do you feel or think about your person? So, I don't think you are right now in communication with whoever you're thinking about. Maybe you are not talking to them, they are not talking to you. There is a bit of a distance between the two of you. Okay, you could be dealing with a Virgo. Let's see, what else do we have? Queen of Pentacles. So you see them as being somebody very stable in their power, focused on their money. They are very nurturing. You think they are very nurturing. They are very beautiful, and they're sitting on that throne, not looking at you, just minding their own work and their own business. So let's see what else. Six of Cups. So yeah, you are thinking of reuniting with this person. If this person is your past person, you are thinking of them. You're wanting to reconcile with them. Or you feel that this person has probably reconciled with somebody from their past, but I feel this is more like you want to reconcile with this person, whoever you're dealing with. Okay, you're thinking about them, you want to get in touch with them, you want to connect with them. Yeah, you want a new beginning. You want a new beginning with this person. So let's see, how does your person feel about you at the moment? King of Wands. So they see you as a king who's very passionate, who's very like a go-getter kind of an energy, who is, like a natural born leader, very charismatic. Okay. What else? King of Swords. So they also feel that you're a bit detached from them at the moment. They feel there are times when you are very cold towards them, you're not communicating towards them, you're cold shouldering them maybe. Okay. Yeah, or this could be another person that you that is in your energy. I mean, that is in this person's energy. No, I feel like they see you as being very cold and detached, unless there is an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini in their energy, if they're dealing with somebody else. Yeah, Ace of Wands. So they are also looking at a passionate new beginning with you. Okay, they want a passionate new beginning with you. Uh, let's see what else. Yeah, they see this as being a very successful relationship if it ever goes in that direction. They want to work on this. They want to put some effort into it because they see a lot of scope of success. They see that this is something that they feel is going to be successful, the two of you getting together. So let's clarify and see, why are you in the hermit mode, Leo? Why is the hermit here for Leos? Why is the hermit here? Nine of Swords. So yeah, there is something that is worrying you. You're worried about something here, and that worry is so much that you have just stopped talking to them. Maybe you're taking a break from them just to kind of get your head right, to be in a better headspace, okay, to get a grip on your emotions. Maybe some of you could be having sleepless nights thinking about this person. Yeah, Judgment. You're thinking of reconciling, or maybe there was an ending with this person and you're thinking of a reconciliation with this person. So because there has been an ending, I see that you are not in communication with this person. But yeah, there is some feeling of you wanting to get back with this person. So why does this person have the King of Wands, Page of Swords? So this person is also thinking of getting in touch with you, sending a message. Maybe they are spying on you, keeping a track of you on social media. They want to know how you're doing because you've stopped talking to them. Maybe they have no other way to keep tabs on you, so they are checking you up on social media. Maybe there could be occasional messages, random messages from them. Three of Cups. So yeah, they also want to reconcile. They also have this feeling that they want to get together with you, at least connect with you as friends, if not anything more. But yeah, they are also hoping for a reunion here. So what is this Queen of Pentacles about for Leo? Empress. So yeah, you could be dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and you see this person as an Empress energy. You feel there is a lot of potential with this person, lot of growth. You see this person as being very abundant, nurturing, loving. Some of if you I mean whoever, for some of you this person could also be the mother of your child. Okay, you could be having a child with this person. High Priestess could be dealing with a Pisces also, but you are thinking about this person a lot. Okay, this person is on your mind all the time. Okay, you can't forget this person. This person is on your mind. So what is this King of Swords about? Death. So yeah, this is, they kind of, they don't like how you are very cold towards them, and that's one of the reasons why probably they put an end to something here. They want you to stop being so cold, and they want you to stop cold shouldering them and reach out to them. They want you to put an end to this non communication situation that is going on between the two of you. Yeah, see, that is their wish fulfillment. They want you to put an end to this, phase where you're not talking to each other. Um, they want you to reach out to them. Okay, this is also another card for reconciliation. So yeah, they want some kind of reconciliation here, but much more healthier relationship. Okay, a much more healthier connection. So what is the Six of Cups for Leo? Two of Cups. So yeah, there is you are thinking about this person. You are thinking about offering them something, your love, your cup of love. Okay, there is mutual love between the two of you, and you're thinking about them a lot. Page of Cups. So you want to go towards them with an apology of some kind. You want to reach out to them. Okay, this is a new beginning in love. Could be dealing with a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So what is this Ace of Wands on their side? King of Pentacles. So they want a passionate new beginning also, but they want this connection to be more stable, more long term. Okay, they are not now interested in something which is very frivolous. They want something more stable and secure. They want a family man, yeah. See, Knight of Pentacles. They want somebody who will work on this connection, not somebody who will just run at the uh, slightest problem. Okay, so they want somebody who is in it for the long term. Okay, and they want a passionate new beginning, but with somebody who can give them something more stable and secure and something long term, somebody who's willing to put in the work in this connection. So what is this Fool energy for Leos? Why is the Fool energy here? The Hermit. So you are thinking about this new beginning with this person, but you are not yet put it in action. I feel you are still thinking about it. You're trying to see how this is going to be for you. You're trying to analyze. What else? Eight of Cups. So this uh, is, this is somebody who you have walked away from, or somebody who has walked away from you, which is why you are taking so long to reach out to them, because you are not communicating with them at the moment and you're not sure how this person is going to reciprocate. Okay, because somebody walked away from this connection, either you or that other person. I'll just take one more card for that. Yeah, see, so you are very guarded because you are not sure. You've been wounded, you've been hurt in the past, so now you don't know how this is going to turn out. If you go back to them, if you tell them that you want a new beginning, you're not sure how they are going to react. So let's see what is their Six of Wands about. What is the Six of Wands for them? Strength. So they are thinking about you as well. They think this is a connection that is for the long term. They think this is going to be a very successful connection if you ever get together, and they are staying strong about it. They are very sure about it. They are very determined. They are holding on very strongly to this faith and hope. What else? Sun again. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you are the one who makes them happy here. Okay, they have the Sun and the Strength, both cards of Leo, so they are definitely thinking about you very strongly, and they want this happiness with you because you are the only one who makes them happy. So they want to make this work, and they want this happy time, this abundant, happy, fulfilling relationship with you. Okay, they whenever they think of you, they think of you in a very good way, in a very positive way. So let's see, Leo, what's the challenge for you when it comes to this person and this connection? Oh, I got two cards. So the challenge here is a stable new beginning, offering them a stable new beginning because you are conflicted at the moment. You have a lot of things going on in your mind, in your head, or around you. So you feel very conflicted about this connection, which is why you're not able to maybe offer them something very stable and secure and long term. What is the advice for you? The advice is to go for this love, this take this leap of faith, and uh, pursue this new beginning in love, because there is love here, a lot of love between the two of you. Okay, let me just clarify that Ace of Cups. Yeah, Nine of Pentacles. So this is about, you have been probably single for very long, and now there is this new beginning or in love. So the universe is trying to tell you that it's fine that you are single and happy and independent, and you don't probably need a relationship to be happy, but there is a new beginning for you in love. Okay, so the advice is you can either take it, because it's a good, happy new beginning for you, a lot of love there, or you can choose to stay single and focus on your on yourself. Okay, so the choice is yours, basically, Leo. There is a choice for you to make. What is the outcome for you, Leo? King of Pentacles. So that had come up in their side. So yeah, you are focusing on your money, stability, growth, and now I think you are having this mentality of wanting to settle down, have a family, have take care of your money, take care of your stability. You want something more stable and secure now. Let's clarify that. Yeah, Two of Wands. See, you're planning in for the long term here. You're planning to reach out to this person, maybe also travel to this person also, once you get to the stage of the King of Pentacles, because you know very well that this person is not going to compromise with anything else. Okay, you cannot be the King of Wands or the King of Cups. They want the King of Pentacles, and you're working towards it, and you're planning and you're strategizing as to how you can get this energy, how you can be this King of Pentacles and go towards them. Okay, so let's see what's challenging this person in this connection. Four of Wands. They want something more committed, they want something more long term, they want a relationship. Okay, uh, why is this a challenge? Six of Pentacles, because there's no equal give and take here. Maybe this person feels like there is no equal give and take. Maybe they gave in too much and you did not, or vice versa. So what's the advice for this person? Ten of Pentacles. The advice for them is to focus on themselves, their abundance, their family. This is a dream that they have, and the advice is to keep dreaming of this, because let's see why. Why is the Ten of Pentacles? Yeah, Eight of Swords. So they feel stuck in a way. They want this Ten of Pentacles, okay, and they're stuck on that. They're very determined and uh, focused, and they want that for themselves, but there is something that is blinding them. There is some truth that they are not seeing here. So the advice for them is to open that blindfold and see the reality for what it is. Okay, so maybe there's something that they are missing out here. There's something that they're not seeing. I'll just take one more card to clarify that Eight of Swords. Eight of Cups. So there is something that they need to walk away from here. So for some of you, it could be that they are already in a family situation. Maybe they're married or in a committed relationship with somebody, which is not going so well for them, and they need to walk away from that, but they feel stuck in that situation. Or this could be that maybe they need to see the truth about a situation and walk away from something that is not helping them out anymore, that's not working out for them anymore, for them to reach the Ten of Cups. Yeah, see the Ten of, sorry, I said the Ten of Cups even before seeing it. For them to reach the Ten of Pentacles. Okay, so they need to walk away from something because they have the Ten of Cups here. So maybe for some of you, this person could already be in a connection or a relationship, but they need to walk away from that Ten of Pentacles if they want to have this Ten of Cups. Okay, so they are in some stable kind of a environment, stable kind of a situation already at this moment. But if they want love, they need to walk away from that Ten of Pentacles and come towards this Ten of Cups. So let's see what is the outcome for this person. High Priestess, Pisces. You could be dealing with a Pisces, Leo. So they are thinking about you as well. They are thinking, they are listening to their intuition. They are very intuitive, I feel, but they are also thinking a lot about you, about this connection, the situation. Devil. Ooh, so they could be having some toxic tendencies. Okay, maybe they're not able to let go of you. They feel very attached to you in a very unhealthy way, and they keep thinking about you, they cannot let you go. Okay, they feel this attraction towards you, they feel this attachment. Yeah, Page of Swords. So they do feel this attachment, this attraction, this unexplainable attraction towards you, but at the same time they are showing up as the page here. They are not communicating effectively, and also they are very guarded. Okay, so they feel very guarded in the situation. um, so yeah, there is no proper communication between the two of you. You both are like walking on eggshells, maybe. Yeah, Ace of Swords. But there is some clarity and truth that's coming out. Okay, there is some clarity and truth that will come out eventually. So let's pick some additional messages for you, Leo. Please give me some additional messages when it comes to this person for Leo. You are perfect. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Open your heart to love. It's time. Okay, so yeah, Leo, some of you could be blocking off um, opportunities in love, maybe because you feel blocked. Home is when you are with me. Okay, so yeah, this could be somebody feeling that way about you, or you feeling this about somebody else. It is time to let go of the past. So if there were some differences or difference of opinions between the two of you, it's time to let go of the past and move ahead in the future. Okay, so Leo, that's what I have for you. I hope this resonated with you in some way. If it did, please do give me a like, share, and a subscribe, and I'll see you very soon with another reading. Till then, take care. Bye.